back to the channel, and today we have another install video we're going to do for you guys. And those of you that have been here for a while know that Project Zeus, we lit that thing up. Well, it's time to light this new unit up. And what we picked up was a set of 7-inch R751s from NILIGHT, and it's a really nice kit. It comes with the wiring harness, nice hardware, all stainless steel, and you can see the pods right there. They're 7 inches, and it's 85 watts, 10,200 lumens, raw lumens, okay? And it comes with a nice wiring harness with a rocker switch already installed. And it's pretty much plug and play, and you have some nice connectors, weatherproof connectors for the lights. So those are just going to go in there like that. So it's going to be really nice setup. They're waterproof. And we went ahead and picked up a pulse plug. This is what's going to plug into our pulse bar. So we'll wire that into this, and then we'll plug it into our pulse bar. So let me show you what we got going on here. Take off the hood. This is going to be a real easy install. Shouldn't take too long. And this is the pulse bar. Now I had this installed because we had the heater installed by the dealer. So they went ahead and put the bigger pulse bar in. They normally don't come with that many plugs, but this is where it's going to go. So these right here, just unplug, and then we're going to plug that in right here. So this is what's going to go. That's going to plug into there, and then this is going to plug into the light. And then what we decided to do was to, we think we're going to put them right here. There's 2 holes already pre-drilled. I don't think we're going to get the brush guard, so we figured we'd go ahead and put these on here, and then later down the line, if I ended up getting the upper brush guard, we could always move them and adjust them, put them where we want to put them. But I think for now they're going to go right here, so they'll look something like this. They're going to go right there. So this is going to give us a lot more light at night, especially when we're plowing snow, and that's what we're looking for. Eventually we're going to put a winch on this, and we're going to definitely need something like this, and we want to light this unit up. And then let me show you what we're going to do over here. It's real easy. We're going to, there's some cutouts right here that we have to cut out for rocker switches. So probably what we're going to do is we'll probably put it right here. We'll just cut that out and put the new one right there, and go from there. So it should be a real easy install. We'll go ahead and get everything set up, and we'll show you how to install these 7-inch lights from NILIGHT. All right, we are back, and let me show you how you're going to install these brackets to mount your lights up. Now the kit comes with this bolt right here, but it's a little bit too long. So for our application, if you guys can see here, come on up here, you can show them. There's not enough room. It's hitting the bar behind here. Okay, even with this on right here, it's still hitting. Okay, so what we went and did is we went to a hardware store, we picked up a smaller bolt, and you can see the difference. About a 1/2 inch smaller. So that's what we picked up. So now we shouldn't have any issues. So basically, we're just going to stick this on right here, and then you guys can see this goes down without hitting. Now it doesn't hit because we got a smaller bolt. And we're just going to screw this on here like that. This is a 3/8 bolt that we picked up, and then we got the wrench here. this 9/16 wrench. We're just going to tighten it up. Just like that. So we got the bracket on. Next thing we're going to do, this just sits right in there. Like that. And then we're just going to adjust it for where we want it to sit, what level. And so this side's installed, and then we'll go ahead and get this other side installed and get this one tightened up. Alright, we got these both mounted, and if you guys can see, come on in here, Mike, and I'll show you. You have a screw here and a screw on the other side, and that's how you adjust your angle. And we just went ahead and just adjust them how we think they're going to look, and then we can always readjust them to pitch or angle that we want to have. And then I just ran our wires right back down through here, and then they go up through here. You can see on this side. Come here and show them. This is where we're going to zip tie it to the main harness right here. This is the light that we're going to plug in right there. And then it's going to go right here. And for those of you that don't know, this is the pulse plug that we're going to use. The top wire is the ground. The middle wire is for key hot. And then the bottom wire is constant hot. So we're going to wire it for key hot. So we're going to use these two wires here to ground and the key hot. We're not going to use the constant hot because we don't want to drain the battery. And then we're going to go ahead, and this is the wiring harness right here. So the easiest way to do it is there's a clip right here for your rocker switch. So we're just going to unplug this to get this out of the way for now. Okay, so this is going to be the rocker switch. We're going to get that over here, and then the way we're going to mount this is this board right here. Come on up here, you can show them this. Has threads in it. It's plastic threads, so you got to be careful. Make sure you have the right size bolt. But this is one we have laying around the shop. And then this is just going to go here. And then we're just going to screw this in. And put it like that. And then we'll hook up our two right here. This is your ground, this is your power. So this one's going to go to this one, and this one's going to go to this one. And we'll cut those off, splice those together, heat shrink those so we got a good connection. And then we'll go ahead and run the rest of the wires. Alright guys, we got this all wrapped up, we got it all wired. And let me show you what we did. We changed our mind. Instead of going with the pulse plug, this only for key hot is a maximum power of 10 amps, and this light alone is 7 amps. So what we did is we wired it to here. This is the ground, and then we wired it to the positive here for the light harness. Okay, and then like we showed you earlier, we attached a relay here, and then we just wrapped the wires up and zip tied them to the main harness of the unit. And then we ran it across here. You can see I just zip tied it all the way to the light itself. And then up through here, we ran that wire for the rocker switch. And then we just zip tied this to that, so that's out of the way. And then what we ended up doing, instead of cutting out a rocker, and we didn't want to drill any holes, there's a plug that comes on the 570 SP. We just drilled a 3/4 inch hole through this plug, And then this is just going to go in there like this. And it's just going to stay right in there like that. And that's what we did. So everything is wired up. It's ready to go. And to show you guys, it is, so this is constant hot, okay? Just so you guys know, we wired it up constant, it's not key hot. So you can actually turn this light on anytime you want. This light doesn't light up unless you turn it on, okay? So we got it on, the lights come on, you can see the lights, and then this light comes on, okay? And then we just shut it off, and there you go. So there's no power getting drawn to it, only when the lights are on itself. So we don't have to worry about it drawing the battery down. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll get this hood back on, we'll go outside, show you how it looks, the difference between just the headlights and the 7-inch night lights, and then we'll go from there. All right guys, we're out here. This is no lights on. We're gonna go ahead and do the headlights first. So there's the headlights. Okay. We're gonna shut the headlights off. Now we're just gonna do 7-inch lights. Wow. That is a big difference. So there's the 7-inch. Regular headlights. Look at the difference. Big difference. We'll back up a little bit. Kind of show you the range. Look at how wide that is. Okay, so we're going to shut these off. We're going to go with the headlights again. That's low beam, high beam, and then the big lights. Wow, it's a big difference. Okay, then we'll put the headlights on. Not much of a difference, just lightens up the sides. Brights, same thing. Alright, here's the headlights. Big difference. Alright guys, we figured we'd show you on the street. These are the headlights. Oh my God! Look at that. Headlights. Man. Big difference, guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I highly recommend these lights. NILIGHT makes them. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. They cost about 160 bucks plus tax. And just hit that link and it'll take you right to these lights. Highly recommend them. You can definitely tell the difference. Very bright, very well made, and we're not going to have any issues plowing snow this winter. So with that said, if you guys are new to the channel and like this kind of stuff, we appreciate if you'd subscribe. Also, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Please like, comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And with that said, I'll see you on the next one.